Hello. Recently, I'm preparing algorithm coding tests. So the first of them is HashMap. To understand these algorithms deeply, I will try to explain it. And before video, the problem was to sum. So to solve this problem, we're gonna use algorithm HashMap. But I solved this problem just by iterating all possible cases. But there is more better solutions, that is using HashMap. So I will explain what is HashMap and how HashMap works. And original article is this, and I just organized this article to my personal Notion page. This is almost the same with this original page. So if you want to look original article, you can just see this left side, and I will explain with this right side. Okay, let's get it started. And first, HashMap is a data structure in JavaScript that allows you to store key value pairs. So this HashMap provides fast access to values based on their keys and is commonly used optimize lookup operations. So to be clear, first, HashMap provides fast access to values, and second, optimize lookup operations. First method is set. As I mentioned, HashMap is key value data structure. So to add key value pair in the HashMap, we need to add new key value pair. So HashMap set name John, and I'm gonna add another key value pair, page 30. So in this example, we added two key value pairs to the HashMap. So keys are string, name, and key. And the corresponding values are John and 30. Values can be any type. So the type of the name is string, and the type of the age is number. And second, get. Get method is used to retrieve the value based on the given key. So let me write this example code. HashMap. Since we insert the key value pair, which the key is name, so we can retrieve the value of the name key. Okay, then we'll log the variable name, then which outputs maybe John. So in this example, we retrieve the value associated with the key name and stored in it the variable name, and we logged the value to the console, which outputs John. This is get. And next, has method is used to check if a key exists in the hash map. So the output of this method will be Boolean, true or false. Before this code, we also insert the key value, which the key is age. So if we write the code like this and log the console as age, then the output will be true because we insert the key value pair in this hash map. So in this example, we checked if the age key exists in the hash map. So this hash method returns a boolean value, true or false, and which outputs true, indicating whether the key exists or not. Next method is delete. Delete is to remove a key value pair from the hash map. So let me write this code, hash map delete, and you can just put the argument with this key. In this example, we remove the key value pair associated with the key age from the hash map. And last, it is not method, it is property to know the size of the key value pairs. So we store hash map size into variable size and this console and log the console, and output will be 1 because before this code we just remove a key value pair associated with the age. So remain thing is just this name key value pair. So size is 1. But without this code, output will be 2. Okay. So in this example, we retrieve the number of key value pairs in the hash map and store it into a variable size and log to the console, which outputs 1. Okay. This is the method and property, basic method and property of the hash map. And next, with these things, maybe we are wondering how the hash map works. So next topic is about that. How hash map works. So hash map is implementation of a fixed size of an array. So there is many buckets array. Bucket, another bucket, another bucket, another bucket. There will be with a fixed size, and where each element in the array is called bucket. So each bucket can store multiple key value pairs. Key value. This key value means like age 30 or name John, like this. So when you insert a new key value into the hash map, hash map, and key value, then hash map calculates the hash code of the key first. So when you insert the key value pair, hash map calculates the hash code of the key. And then map it to the specific bucket using hash function. So let me organize this again. Insert key value and calculate hash code of the key, and map to bucket using hash function. So in this hash function takes the key and converts it into a numeric value. So key converts numeric value. And this numeric value is mapped to key value pair. This numerical value is used as an index to map the key value pair to the corresponding bucket in the array. Sooner there is example code, so you will be understand more deeply. So the goal of the good hash function depends on the performance quality of the hash function. So hash function distributes key value pairs evenly. So I will repeat. Let me repeat again. The goal of the good hash function is to distribute key value pairs evenly across the buckets and minimizing collisions. Collisions occur when two or more keys map to the same bucket. To handle these collisions, most hash map implementations use a technique called chaining. So chaining is used to minimize collisions of the hash map. So collisions occur when two or more keys map to the same bucket. To handle these collisions, many hash map implementations uses the technique called chaining. So chaining involves storing multiple key pairs in the same bucket. Pairs. So when you need to retrieve a value based on given key, the hash map first calculate the hash code of the key. Calculate hash code of the key. In above explanation, I mentioned it. So calculate hash code and determine appropriate bucket. Using hash function, and traverses the linked list or an array in that bucket to find matching key value pair. So as I mentioned, hash function will be very important, but let's take a look at the simple implementation of a hash map. This kind of hash function will be easy, I think, but let me just show you, and maybe next time I will show you more sophisticated function. So this is simple implementation of the hash map. First, I just defined hash map class with the fixed size array as a bucket, and hash method calculates the hash code of the key. It's very simple. And set method insert the key value pair into the bucket, and get method retrieves the value based on the given key. So it is important to know that the performance of the hash map depends on the quality of the hash function and the number of the collisions. A good hash function should distribute the key value pairs evenly across the buckets to minimize collisions. So this hash function is very simple, so next video I will show you more sophisticated hash function. This article is too long, so today I just prepared these two topics, basics and intro, and this how hash map works. So if you want to see more article content in this video, you can just click the link and read some more article. And next time I will explain about these things. Thank you for watching video, and see you next time.